there like 4?
At any one time, yeah, there's always 4.
Well, sometimes some of them are get sick, there might be only 1 or 2.
Is 4 the maximum?
Yeah,
Not
for
more
the
than
baby.
4. And then there's what, some toddlers.
I think so, yeah.
So is he a toddler category?
No, he's still the baby. Till 2.
Oh, that's good. Even though he is actually toddling. That's your scooter. The book? Yeah, thank you. There's a gorilla. Want to sit on Grammy's lap? Can I have a book? There's a gorilla. And the penguin. Waddle, waddle, waddle. And giraffe with the big long neck. It's a big ball. Monkey. Seal. Gorilla. Thumping his chest. Cute cat. Alligator. Chomp, 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 chomp. Big alligator. Oh, camel. There's a camel. Donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. And the boy. And the parrot. Probably want a cracker. Probably want a cracker. A flamingo. There's a boy. Like Liam. Oh, the alligator. Big teeth. Chomp, 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 chomp. The cat? Meow, 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 meow. Oh, cat. Gorilla. Dum, 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 dum. Seal. Buffalo. Donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. And the boy. And the parrot. Oh. I got a little cough. Good book. That was a good book. There's a seal. Uh-oh, fell down. Toes. This is toes. Here's his head. It's Liam's head. It's Liam's head.